And at Adidas is all about our products, everything about our product as assets, including technology. Since the end of last year, we have started our global product-led transformations for IT, even renaming IT as such, and we are now called technology. As a company, we are a complex company. We cover the full product life cycle of our physical products, from ideation, design, planning, manufacturing, supply, selling B2B, B2C channels, and this is reflected in our product domain map that you see in the picture. This allowed us, this transformation, to push more responsibility and ownership and partnership of technology into the business, and we are convinced that this will create empowered teams, accountable, focus on value, while at the same time driving simplification and innovation into the company. On top, this operating model allows us to measure products by happiness, value, quality, reliability, and flow. You saw all the products. We also categorize these products into three different types, three different levels. You see on the top the experiences and touch points, where really the key is speed, fast reaction, innovation. Then you saw on the middle layer our core products. Is basically where the outcome is data. With these products, we abstract experiences from the complexity of a company that is 70 years old and has more than 1,500 IT systems. The experiences come and go, but the work that you do in the core and the platforms stays. And on the bottom, that is my field, is the platform products. Yes, we really encourage all of you to really manage your foundations also as products. IT4IT should take care of their customers the same way and apply all the practices that the rest of the products are applying. And how the platform teams are engaging with our users. This picture that you see here may sound familiar to everyone having read the fantastic Team Topologies book by Matthew Skelton and Manuel Pace. I would say, how should you manage? It depends. So some teams, as you see in the picture, they cover critical capabilities that we really decided to decentralize for the sake of speed. These teams are engaging typically by enabling or collaborating models with the users. You see the API teams, the CI/CD, the fast data, the streaming teams, they help others to build their own experiences and master the capability themselves. Other teams still, they provide end-to-end services centralized for the sake of efficiencies, for small size of demand, or simply because there's a big technical complexity below. The cognitive load or the amount of information that a team can handle is a critical factor to consider always when you really are designing your organization. And last but not least, do we have a playbook? Do we really tell our teams how to function? We give a couple of suggestions to our teams and a couple of basic rules to them. On the left, you can see the rule of how they should spend their time. We always tell them to continuously decrease the time that they spend into manual operations through automation. And then the rest of the team, the rest of the time spending in value creation, we told them to split 50-50 into the next two buckets. Evolving the platform so the platform doesn't get obsolete. And second, consulting, working with the users so they can see in first person how the platform feels from the outside. And also they can keep the community alive, what will drive standardization and speed. And the other basic rules that we put to the platform teams, you can see on the bottom, is how to measure themselves. So the platform value, so we are a product, we need to measure our value. The platform value that we measure is our adoption, so the amount of people, products that are using our technology, and the NPS, how happy they are with the service that you are providing. IT4IT is hardly measured by direct business value. Where you really need to measure the business value, you see, is in the evolutions that you do to the platform. Once you reach certain level of users, every single evolution that you do in the platform creates a huge impact into a lot of teams.